Hi kids, welcome back to our Spider-Man special. Here we had a box full of Spider-Man Hot Wheels, and here they are. Okay, we've opened the first and the second one. It's a Spider-Man Homecoming edition, and the third plus the fourth, the Power Bomb and the Jaden. Cool. We have two new cars, the fourth and the fifth and the sixth car. This is called the Golden Arrow. You can see Spider-Man here fighting a villain. Okay. Shocker. Cool. Yellow car with glass window. Super. Check our previous episode here at the cars button. Here we have Spider-Man and another villain. Is the last car of the collection. Prowler, the Drift King. It's a green car with purple sides. A racer, actually a drifter. So this is the Drift King. Aggressive look. Oh, purple on the bottom. The Drift King, Mattel, Hot Wheels. Nice. Okay. Since this was the last car, let's see the entire collection now. If you enjoyed our clip, hit that subscribe button over here. And check our previous episodes over here and here.